Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The lockdown is no shutdown to life, and I've had inspiring days with workouts and positive vibes all through. I have a planned schedule which I follow, which alternates between fitness days and basketball skill days. I also spend about an hour on YouTube every day watching footwork and technique related videos in basketball. Also, I wish that I inspire my teammates and friends to maintain their fitness and skill levels in this time of lockdown. Also, I would like to wish all the trainees training for the national games all the very best.
Desai and I'm a basketball player. I have played basketball for the Goa state team. I have represented Goa 4 times. During this lockdown, it is important for us to stay home and maintain social distancing. But yes, it is also important for us to maintain our physical health, that is to work out and improve our physical fitness. So everyone, stay home, stay safe and stay fit.
Hello everyone, this is Anushka Singhee. I'm a girl basketball player. During this coronavirus pandemic, since we are not able to get out of our houses, I've decided to work out at home so that I can prepare myself for the basketball season.